Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your crypto from Bybit to a Web3 wallet like MetaMask. Let's get started. First, log into your Bybit account, navigate to the asset section and select withdraw. Choose the currency you want to transfer. For example, Ethereum on the screen. Now open your Web3 wallet like MetaMask here and copy your wallet address. Back on Bybit, paste the wallet address here, paste it here, and then highlight the network selection drop down and choose the matching network. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Like I have just for an example, put this amount. Complete any required security verification if needed, such as two-factor authentication. Review the details carefully and confirm your withdrawal by clicking this withdraw. Your funds will be on their way and should arrive in your Web3 wallet shortly, depending on network speed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.